They usually say there's a first time for everything, and today your girl is about to do something for the first ever time. Pray for me, y'all. Before I share with you guys what I'm about to do for the first ever time, I just want to say thank you so much for all the love that you guys have been showing me for my new content. And can I just say, it's some of my most fulfilling content, so keep on showing it love. I will highly appreciate that. It makes me realize I'm in the right direction, baby. Now, speaking of direction, one direction I've never wanted to take my brand was kind of like to go toe-to-toe with a Korean chef. And one of my recent videos, I visited a couple of Korean restaurants, from Ain Guest House to Gong House. I ordered it in from Koreana Chicken, Yang Yum. If you haven't seen that video, it's popped up. Make sure to watch it. Now, I ate all that food to prepare myself for this moment where today I'm gonna be going toe-to-toe with a Korean chef. It's something that I never do, but when the Korean embassy is like, can you really do that thing? I'm like, skirt. I can do that thing. So today I'm gonna be going toe-to-toe with a Korean chef, making 3 Korean dishes. I am actually excited, to be honest. I'm excited mainly because I know for a fact I have been eating all this Korean food, preparing me for all this greatness I'm about to serve up. So you know what? I'ma wanna say less. I'ma wanna head there because your girl, I'm a Sahao apron at home. How can a whole Ezekiel forget her apron at home? But I'ma still bring that heat though. Let's go show what the TDQ can do. As I mentioned, guys, today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going for the first time to be going toe-to-toe with a professional chef just to see how great my Korean cooking skills are, okay? And I'm introducing to you guys one amazing lady who's going to be sharing with us a lot of tips, tricks that we don't know about Korean food. To top it off, she's going to be sharing with us just easy recipes that you can make at home with locally available ingredients.
Hello, my name is Hyung-mi Kim. I'm the embassy chef. I've lived in Kenya for almost a year now.
What are some of your favorite Swahili words?
Swahili,
Yeah.
abariako.
Abariako. Do you know how to say kwaheri? Kwaheri means bye. What we're making today, chakula. Yeah, so chakula means food. And then every time I'll say to you sawa sawa. Okay, sawa. So today our first dish is assorted seafood pancake.
Okay.
Maybe you can tell us what's in the seafood pancake. First things first, what seafood are we using? We're using shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp, calamari, garlic, and
What do you call scallops in Korean?
kwanja.
Kwanja. Okay. And what else do we have here?
Here we have flour and potato starch, salt and white pepper, a little of sugar, garlic paste, 1 egg, and fish.
Okay. I see we also have water here and some soy sauce.
Yeah, water and vinegar, sugar and soy.
So what do we start with first? Start with the fish?
We have to
Chop it. Okay. So do you have to finely chop it, or you leave it chunky, or what are you supposed to do?
You can make it finely chunky, or you can make it chunky.
Oh, you can make it chunky. Okay. Which one do you like? You like chunky or you like thin? Fine.
I like chunky.
You like chunky. Okay.
Yeah.
What do we start putting in here?
And 1.5 flour.
Okay. And then what's next?
And potato starch.
Which is this one?
Yeah, 1
Okay.
tablespoon.
Okay.
5 tablespoons salt.
Okay. What next?
And white pepper.
Can I put all of it?
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna put all of it. I'm gonna break the rules. Okay, what else?
And sugar.
Half the sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
And garlic paste.
I feel like you can put more garlic. Like,
Yeah.
okay. I'm putting all of it.
And what else? Fish sauce.
Oh, fish sauce. Okay. Half as
Yeah,
well.
half. And 1 egg.
One egg.
Egg.
Okay. Can I add this chili? No, not yet. Not yet.
You can put
But not now? Now? Now?
Now you
One egg. Guys, Trey's failing. It's gonna be a disaster.
and onion,
Onion?
carrot and spring onion.
Okay. So half.
This is part.
Okay. I know the consistency is supposed to be sticky. I don't know if that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's supposed to be that sticky. And are we supposed to like just mix and then we start cooking? Yeah. Okay. What I find interesting about this dish that we're making, it's giving me very like kaimati vibes when you're chotaing, yeah, you know, when you're scooping to like place it into the pan, hot oil. So those are the vibes it gives me. Because I don't think we have a pancake that's very similar to this. This is very different, but the scooping method is very kaimati-esque for me. So we mix into the soy sauce.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we put this. And then so vinegar, water. Okay. And then you mix it?
Yeah, mix it together. If you want chili or if you want spicy,
Yeah.
you can put it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I taste mine.
Gotcha. I want to taste yours too.
I want to see how spicy she's saying they are. It's really spicy?
No.
She's saying that my assorted pancake is spicy. I feel like hers is like slightly on the sweeter side. But also it's just like how her pancake style is, you know, the consistency. And also the flavor profile. You can taste the spring onion. The carrot is adding in some sweetness as well. I'm even like getting lost in the amazing deliciousness. And 10 out of 10?
A 7.
7? Wow. Like, there's 3 more points. Okay, I'm gonna redeem myself on the next meal. So the next meal is beef bulgogi. Good thing about beef bulgogi is that it's very similar to beef wet fry. So if you think of a beef wet fry, is how you can think of a beef bulgogi. Of course, some of the ingredients are different, not similar to a beef wet fry. However, the technique is somewhat similar. So maybe you can walk us through what we have here. We have beef
And mushroom.
mushrooms. So we have 2 types of mushrooms. We have button mushrooms and oyster.
And onion.
Okay.
And spring onion.
So we have onion, white onion and spring onion. Can you use red onion?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, you can use red.
Yeah.
Okay. We have soy sauce. So one thing that I've come to learn about beef bulgogi is that the pear is a very, very popular ingredient that they add into the beef bulgogi. Not only does it add flavor, it also helps tenderize the meat as well. So soy sauce.
And sugar.
Okay.
Onion
Puree. So this is a pear puree.
Puree.
Yes, and juice as well. So we're adding that in there. Corn syrup. Black pepper.
And sesame oil.
Okay, sesame oil. So we don't add the vegetables in here?
Yeah. But first this.
You mix first. we add the vegetables?
Yeah,
or not yet?
vegetables, but just onion and
The spring onions? Okay. If you don't have pear, you can use sugar and honey. So that makes it so much more easier. So now that we've mixed everything,
yeah.
we now leave it to marinate for 30 minutes.
Korean and Kenyan people love spicy food, so
yeah.
you can add chili
Some chili? Okay.
if you want, if you like.
Okay.
Sesame seed.
Moment of truth. Okay, keep up, you guys. That's so delicious. You can't even taste the pear. However, you know it's there because the sweetness of the beef is so good. The spring onion just at the end is really great. I feel like I killed this one. 10 out of 10. I think I did. I did a 10.
10.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! We're on to our final dish, which is going to be our dessert. And for our dessert, we're going to go with something sweet. Oh, and it's still within the range of pancake. Because I've noticed a lot of Koreans like pancakes. Yes?
It's hota.
Hota. Okay. Hota. So what do we put in it? I see we have all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And dry yeast.
We have dry yeast.
Yeah.
Is it instant dry yeast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And sugar.
Okay.
And salt.
Okay.
And some water.
And what's this?
Oil.
Oil. Okay.
And we have
Water. Okay.
It's warm.
It's warm?
Water.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Oh,
dry
you had
yeast.
the yeast in here? And we leave it to the side, or?
Yeah, just leave it or
Yeah?
5
bloom?
minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
And we add some sugar with salt.
How many cups of flour do you use?
This is 2 cups.
2 cups of
Yeah.
flour? Okay. So we take the yeast
Yeah.
and then we add it in here?
Yeah.
Oh, so you create a well. Is it supposed to be like a ball?
Yeah.
Okay. How long are you supposed to knead?
We finish.
It's finished. Oh, okay. So like 5-6 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we cover it,
We cover it.
and then we put it somewhere warm,
Yeah.
and then it doubles in
Doubles.
size. Okay, fantastic. Let's do that then. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna oil our hands first,
Yeah.
and then you mix the dough with your oily hands. Aha. See what you're doing. And then you take one.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you spread it. Now we have a mixture here that we're putting.
Yep.
So this is brown sugar and
sugar.
cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon powder.
Yeah. So you take it and then you fold it into a ball.
Yep.
Yeah. And then
Then
you take it and then Okay, so make our hands oily. So for every round we have to make our hands oily.
Yeah. Coat your hands in oil
Okay.
as you mold the dough.
Okay. Apart from the sugar, I see you have like nuts there.
Yeah.
What nuts or what do you have in there?
Crushed walnut and sunflower seeds
Okay.
and almond.
So you can put whatever kind of nuts you want.
Yeah.
So you can be able to get all these recipes and more by visiting www.karibukorea.co.ke. And the good thing is you can catch yourself a little film or two as you're eating some Korean food. I don't know if I did really well on the pancakes out of 10. Out of 10?
Yeah.
10? 10? Okay.
Of course.
We are winning. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start things off with this as our starter. The seafood, assorted seafood pancake is our starter. And the beef bulgogi is our main, which we're having with a little bit of rice and some kimchi. And then we also have our dessert, which is, yes.
What did you say? Butter.
There you go. So it's a sweet pancake. It's so yummy. All delicious things come to an end, and they end on a high when you eat Korean food. And I do want to say thank you so much, Chef Yomi, for teaching me and making sure that my skill set is just as good. And I also want to say again, guys, a huge shout out to the Korean Embassy for partnering with me for this video in order to be able to share and enlighten you on a lot of the Korean cuisine that possibly you may not know about. So do leave a thumbs up if you learned something from this video, and let me know out of the 3 meals what you're going to be making, because I feel like you're going to be making one of them because it was easy. And what do you usually say when you're about to eat? Like, do you say bon appetit? What do you say?
Is
Bon appetit?
맛있게
Mashke?
드세요.
Mashke?
맛있게 드세요.
What she said. We're about to dig in.
맛있게 드세요.
Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, share this video with somebody who would love Korean.